How to mass delete emails on Gmail. Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channel and let's get started. Now first thing first, you have to launch any of your preferred web application. Once done, at the top search bar type in Gmail login. You will see sign in to continue to Gmail by Google accounts. Simply tap onto it and then get logged into your Gmail account via a web browser. Now once it is so, you will see a page like this. Here you have to tap on three-dot icon and check desktop site. Wait for this to load. Then you will see a page like this. Now you have to select all the emails in order to delete them. For that, you have to zoom into your screen and you will see this box. If you check onto it, it will select all the emails that you have in your Google account. And in order to delete this, simply tap on this delete button. And now this has been deleted. And just like so guys, this is how you can do the same as well. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.